Hi guys, welcome back to the Cathay Pacific Fleet Updates channel here. With me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Boy. And today, we'll be talking about a CX, actually a former KA Airbus A230-300 that flew to Seattle this morning. So the flight number here is 63820. Then the registration is Bravo Hotel Yankee Golf. It is in the Great Circle distance of 196 kilometers. Actual flight of 59 minutes and a drop of 70 degrees as you can see here. Sorry, this is for running nose. So as you can see, she took off at the third runway. Actually, the third. Wait. I must have confused. Actually, the third runway. And then she go over South China Sea. And then she on the runway 05 Xiamen Gaoki Airport. This aircraft took off at exactly 5 a.m. local time, then landed at 5:59 p.m. local time. And and she's expected to get her maiden back to its cabin side free. I hope Bravo Kotayaki to it will be the next after this, but I'm not sure about her, but I believe that she's going to be. So for the details of Barco Hotayaki Golf, I did check the previous video regarding the said registration. So that is the wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.